Welcome to the Gyproc product installation video series. Today we are going to show you how to install the RhinoBoard 6.4mm ceiling board. The RhinoBoard brand has been in existence for over 50 years, with our range of RhinoBoard boards manufactured locally. You will need the following tools to complete this project. Did you know our RhinoBoard 6.4mm ceiling board is SABS approved? For a balanced aesthetic, start by placing the boards from the center of the ceiling. For the purpose of this video, please note that our RhinoBoard 6.4 ceiling board was installed onto a pre-installed gyp frame concealed ceiling grid and insulated with our Isover Think Pink Aerolite. Measure the full length of the wall. Take that measurement to the board and deduct 10mm from that measurement. Those two marks are called the benchmarks. Use the chalk line to connect those two marks to create a straight line. Use the utility knife to cut along the chalk line mark. Once cut, lift the board horizontally. Then proceed to pull the board towards you from the uncut side, snapping the board. Cut the paper on the back side from the right to the left. Snip off the offcuts and use a rasp to smooth out the edges. Proceed to take a piece of the board to the installation area. Lift the board and place it against the grid and fix all screws using a Drywall Screw Gun and Gyproc 25mm sharp point screws. Make sure that the board is in line with the mark made while measuring. Create a straight line using the chalk line. Proceed to measure 150mm in intervals and make your markings for your additional screws, and then proceed to insert the screws. Measure the width of the board and cut the M strip for that measurement. Using a tin snip, cut the M strip. Insert the M strip into the board. Measure the remaining ceiling space. Cut an additional ceiling board according to your measurement and proceed to insert the cut board. Fix the board onto the ceiling grid using a Drywall Screw Gun and screws. Continue following the previous steps to complete your ceiling installation. For more information, visit the Gyproc website on www.gyproc.co.za. RhinoBoard, not just any plasterboard. It's the original RhinoBoard.